Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about Unix versus Linux. We'll try to understand what is Unix and what is Linux, and finally we'll see some key differences. Yeah. So before starting, let's talk about the some of the things uh, which is basically important before starting this further discussion. So as you know, today Linux is in great demand, right? You can see the use of Linux everywhere. It's dominating in case of uses like servers, making a server, using a desktop, is using in smartphones, and even using the some electrical devices like refrigerators, right? Some people think Unix and Linux as synonyms, right? But that's not true, right? Many operating systems were developed like Unix, but none of them got the popularity as Linux. Linux is the clone of Unix. It has several features similar to Unix. Still, some key differences are there, right? So before Linux and Windows, computer world was dominated by Unix, right? And Unix is copyrighted operating system. That means it is not available free of cost. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. Now let's try to understand what is Unix and what is Linux one by one, and then finally we'll see the key differences. So let's start with the Unix, right? The Unix is of course operating system, and that was developed in the late 1960s in 80 anti Bell Labs and released as an operating system called Unix, right? And it is written in the C language. Yeah. Now, second point says it began as one-man project under the leadership of Ken Thompson of Bell Labs, right? Uh, Unix became most widely used operating system. Uh, Basically, it was invented in the very beginning, so it was a very widely used operating system, right? Unix OS is popular in companies, universities, and some big enterprise as well, right? Now let's talk about the Linux. Yeah. So Linux is an operating system built by Linus Torvalds as the University of Helsinki in 1991. Yeah. The name Linux came from the Linux kernel. Something is called Linux kernel when you use any operating system, any Linux flavors, right? In Linux comes with the many flavors. If you use any Linux flavor or Linux operating system, there is called a kernel. We'll talk on this, right? So why it is named as Linux? Because that came from the Linux kernel. Yeah. Now next point says it is the software on a computer which enables applications and users to access the devices on the computer to perform some specific function. Yeah. Now most important thing I would like to discuss over here, the development of Linux is one of the most prominent example of free and open source software collaboration. Today, many companies and similar numbers of individuals have released their own versions of OS based on the Linux kernel. So Linux is completely open source and free. You can download its code and you can do the modification and you can create your own Linux, right? Custom Linux. Now let's go through the differences between Linux and Unix. So left side I have Linux and right side you have a Unix. So let's see the differences. So first difference I would say Linux is open source and free. Thousands of programmers collaborate online, contribute to its development, right? You can be one of the contributor, right? So here Unix is primarily developed by the AT&T Bell Labs as well as other commercial vendors, right? Now Bash is the Linux default shell. It offers support for multiple command interpreters, right? When we talk about the Unix in terms of shell, originally made to work in Bourne shell, right? However, it is now compatible with the many other software or other shell as well, right? So when we talk about the CL is nothing but when you work on any Linux or Unix even, then you can basically write any command basically on the CL, and that CL will convert that will convert it is a language which is understood by the kernel, and kernel will interact with the hardware so that you can perform your task, right? Now, this is very important point basically. When we talk about the Linux, threat detection and solution is very fast because Linux is mainly community driven. So if any Linux user post any kind of threat, a team of qualified developers start working to resolve this threat. So when you work on any Linux operating system, then you don't need to basically install any kind of basically uh, antivirus, right? Because a Linux can be customized as per your need. You can customize any kind of permission, right? So and because of that, Linux, if you're working on the Linux, then hackers will not be able to hack very easily as happens in the Windows, right? Now, another side, Unix users require longer wait time to get the proper bug fixing patch, right? Now, in case of Linux, Linux operating system can be installed on various type of devices like mobile, tablet, computers, etc. Even you can make your pen drive bootable, right? And you can install Linux on your machine. Or what you can do, if you have a Windows operating system or native operating system, that there you can install basically VirtualBox or VMware player, and inside that you can install any kind of Linux and you can play around that. Now, Unix operating system is used for the internet servers, workstations as well as PCs. Now, when we talk about the Linux, Linux has a different versions, like you have a Red Hat, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, open source, and there are many more, right? Because it's a open source, so a lot of companies and even for even individual or group of developer, they have created their own Linux, yeah. Now another side, when we look into the Unix, Unix has a different versions, like you have a HP UX, IBM AIX, and Solaris, right? So mostly Unix is developed by the more and more organization. And now last but not the least, I would like to talk the source is available to the general public in case of Linux. So that's completely open and free for all the developers. You can download, you can do some kind of R&D, you can do you can change the permissions and all. You can do any kind of basically changes, and you can create your own Linux. But when we talk about the Unix, Unix source code is not available to anyone because that is only available for the commercial use. So guys, that's the differences between Linux and Unix. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning this video, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.